Great Gifts is your perfect spring shopper brochure. Let's jump in and have a look at it. It's got a really nice spring themed cover. As we jump inside, we can see these various items. There's 88 items in here. They all sell for only $8 each, so very affordable. We've got flower bulb collections, really nice ones. We've also got some spring themed gift wrap. We've got some nice Mother's Day items here, which is perfect obviously for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, etc. World's Best Mom coffee mug, for instance. Then we've got some nice jewelry, picture frames, mugs, etc. that will be appealing to moms and other people as well. We've got other great Mother's Day gifts here: World's Best Mom, lollipops, gummy slices, a few kitchen gadgets. We jump to this page here. We've got some things for dads. After all, Father's Day will be coming up in June. So there's some nice barbecue type items and snacks designed for fathers as well. Then we've got some items here, some gourmet chocolate items that appeal to everybody, of course. And then we jump into the jewelry. Great stuff for moms, for daughters, etc. Really nice looking jewelry. Once again, all at only $8 each. Some jewelry here that's summer and spring themed as well. And then other stuff for children and the family. So what makes this program really great is that everything is only $8 each. There's a great selection in here, and they're spring themed items, which is perfect for this time of the year, obviously. If we look into the percentage profit, you're making 40 to 45% profit. It's free to get started. And as well, you get free pre-pack per seller or student. So we will ship to you, once you're done with the fundraiser, it will be shipped to you broken down per student, making your delivery and distribution super easy and convenient. If we go down here, you can see the profit. When you sell up to $5,000, you're making 40% profit. When you sell $5,000 or more, you make 45% profit. Once again, that includes the free pre-pack. So how does it work exactly? We'll just click on this tab here. One spring shopper order taker per fundraising participant. They're completely free of charge. Then number 2, have your group members go out there, ask friends, family, neighbors, co-workers, etc. to make a purchase or two to support your organization. 3, collect all the order takers and the funds raised from your group members at the end of your fundraiser, and then place your final product order with us by mailing in all of your order forms. And then we'll go ahead and process that once again per student. Count your profits. You're going to be making 40 to 45% profit. And then we ship you the goods. So it's really simple. So to get started, basically, let's just say you're a group of 15. Let's just say you're a group of 25, 50, whatever. Just put in your number here, click Start Now, and proceed through the checkout. Or you can give us a call at our toll-free number, 1-888-440-4114, and we'd be very happy to mail these brochures out to you. Thanks so much.